All right, Daryl, thank you for adding these details. Now, shifting our focus to other developments, where briefing on the Mumbai boat capsize incident, the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has also expressed his condolences and thanked the personnel of the Indian Navy, local police for the quick response. Let's now listen in.
दुर्घटनाग्रस्त झाली. त्या बोटीमध्ये 100 पेक्षा जास्त लोक होते. त्यातले 83 लोकांना वाचवण्याचं काम नेव्ही, कोस्ट गार्ड, मेरीटाईम बोर्ड, JNPT आणि स्थानिक पोलीस आणि स्थानिक पोलिसांच्या बोटी देखील होत्या. स्थानिक मच्छीमारांच्या बोटी होत्या.
All right, Daryl joins me live on the broadcast. Daryl, as Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has also now spoken on this matter, expressing his grief and despair on what unfolded on the passenger ferry after the collision. What is in fact from the office in the government of Maharashtra that you're picking up to share with our viewers? All right, viewers, as the massive multi-agency search and rescue operations is underway to trace the missing people, 13 people have died in the accident and in fact, Devendra Fadnavis, Maharashtra Chief Minister, has said this in an official statement, saying that it is very unfortunate incident. Of the 13 deceased, 10 are civilians and the passengers who were on board that ferry, while the 3 are from the Navy. Fadnavis has also announced an ex gratia of 5 lakhs to the next of the kin of the deceased. Daryl joins me live on the broadcast. Daryl, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has also responded on this incident, while in fact more officials have also reacted on the numbers from the passengers. What is in fact the government of Maharashtra now saying on this matter? How are they in fact reacting? Share more details.
Simran, if you see, it was a tragic incident which took place yesterday in Mumbai when the ferry boat left from Gateway, and while it was about to reach Elephanta Caves, on its way it collided with a speeding Navy boat. And now not just the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde but also CM Devendra Fadnavis and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given their reaction on this tragic incident which took place yesterday. And if we saw, all the officials, whether it's the Indian Coast Guard, the Navy and the Mumbai Police, along with the local administration and the fishermen, also came to rescue who were drowning in this incident which took place. This is the gateway of India, from where the ship, from where the ferry boat had left, and on its way to the Elephanta Caves it collided, and where many of the people drowned into the sea, and out of which 114 people were rescued, and 13 innocent lives lost their lives in this incident which took place yesterday. We saw Devendra Fadnavis yesterday in Nagpur during the winter assembly session which is going on. He reacted with the media and he said that really fund of 5 lakh rupees will be given to the next of the kin of the deceased in this incident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also announced an ex gratia of rupees 2 lakh for the next of the kin of the each deceased. And we saw that Devendra Fadnavis has also said that the Navy and the state government both will initiate a detailed inquiry of this incident which took place yesterday in Mumbai. Back to studio.